Hi, I'm Judith, an operations and project manager. Over the last few years, I've supported coaches, consulting, and startup founders who had one common problem. Their back end was in chaos, scattered tools, unclear processes, and too many manual follow ups. In my most recent roles, I've worked inside a fast growing coaching program and service businesses where I built and cleaned up Airtable and CRM systems to track clients, renewal, delivery, documented operations so the teams can perform without constant hand-holding, coordinated projects across tools like Monday.com, Asana, Go High Level, Jira, and acted as the calm point of contact where things were breaking and unclear. For example, I've supported founders to turn Google Sheets into a structured Airtable CRM, fix broken onboarding workflow, and bring order to programs managing dozens to hundreds of clients at once. What clients like about me is that I don't just do tasks, I think in systems, communicate clearly, and make sure nothing slips through the crack. If you're a founder looking for somebody reliable to organize your operations, clean up your tools, and keep your execution tight, I'll be happy to help.